How to add product link on TikTok Shop. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how you'll be able to easily get a product link from the TikTok Shop. Simply go to your profile on the lower right corner of the screen and go to the three bars menu on the upper right corner and go to Creator Tools. Once you are on this page, simply click on TikTok Shop for Creator and you'll be routed into the TikTok Shop for affiliate links. So all you have to do is wait for this to load up and simply go to TikTok Shop Toolkit. What you'll need to do is go to Product Management or Product Marketplace rather. That's the first tool at the toolkit. Here you can choose any product that you want for the affiliate marketing and simply click on Add button. And once you click on Add button, it will automatically be routed into your showcase or the manage product page, wherein when you will be using these products on your affiliate list, you will be able to create video and add that link into your TikTok Shop account. So once you're done here, simply create or record a video. Either it could be relating to that product or a product review that you want to create. And once you're done, or once you have recorded that video, simply click on next. And then here at the informations where you will be putting the description, simply click on the add link button that's below the location. And then you will be able to see this is the product that we added earlier at our affiliate marketing program here at TikTok. Simply click on add and then input the product name and click on the add button once again. And then you will see that the link is now incorporated into the descriptions. You can set the audience to everyone so that it will be set for public and accept the music usage confirmation and simply click on post once you're done with creating the description for that specific video. You'll be able to see here with the video that we have posted, you'll be able to see that it already has the link on it. Click on the description box and you'll be able to see that the affiliate link or the product link is now incorporated in the video that you have for your TikTok shop. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!